Are you witnessing a disturbing videos on your Facebook page? Facebook is showing you nude pictures and unwanted videos on your Facebook. Or people are calling you, telling you that they are seeing some unholy pictures and videos on your Facebook page, which you don't know where it is coming from. Okay, so don't worry. I'm going to show you the possible cause and how you're going to stop it from showing. Okay, so the Facebook videos you are seeing or the nude pictures you are seeing on your story, on your Facebook story, could be caused by Facebook's algorithm. That is number one thing that can cause it, Facebook algorithm. It might be because of Facebook algorithm, we may be targeting you based on your browsing activities or your browsing history, the things you visit. Okay, it can also be an issue with a connected app. Is there any app you connected that is now triggering those kind of unwanted pictures and videos? Okay, so it can also be as a result of inappropriate content from the people you are following, okay, or from the app, which I've already talked about. Okay, so for you to stop this, you should adjust the ad preferences or reduce the sensitive content on your Facebook settings. You can also report the post. You can unfriend the person or block the account. You then finally you clear your app caches. So for you to adjust your Facebook settings, you quickly go to your Facebook page, okay? Then you click on these three lines. Then you click on setting icon, okay? Under the menu, you click on setting icon. You scroll down to content preferences. Click on content preferences. What you see, you go to sensitive content. You click on sensitive content. By default, it should be on the default. So you change it to show less. You click on show less, okay? You save. So the second thing you need to check is the app or the connections you have on your account and disconnect them. From settings to permission, then click on device permission. First, device permission. So you check the devices that are connected to your account to see if there's anyone that you did not authorize. Anyone you did not authorize, you click on it and change it. Go back, you go to linked account. My Instagram page is linked to my Facebook, so it's there. Okay, so you go back, go to browsing. Here you have to clear the cache. Okay, so you click on cookies and cache and clear the cache. Okay, so this is done. And you can off your activities on Facebook, so you turn off the activities if you prefer to do that. Okay, so that is it. As you do this, you go back to your page, relaunch your page. So when you are done with that, if you think your account has been compromised, you can as well change your password and set up a two-factor authentication on it. Okay, as soon as you're done, you log out and log in, and Facebook will not show you that nude content again. All right, thank you.